This is our 1969 Dodge Dart 360 car, 3-speed automatic, spool rear end. Really nice build overall. Gorgeous forest green, dark green paint on it. Set up for mild drag racing. Sounds real mean. A little cold, a little bit of a belt squeal there on the startup. This one is a manual steering car, so if you're in a parking lot, it can be a little tougher than your average car to steer, but once you're on a roll, it's not bad at all. Definitely a very nasty sounding exhaust. Gives you that classic Mopar muscle feel. Definitely gets up and goes. A lot of torque. Loves to throw you back. We're back here in the lot.